All right, let's start with the big story that we are tracking at this hour on Wion, where the Delhi High Court has dismissed Rakesh Asthana's plea seeking the quashing of the FIRs that have been levelled against him by the CBI. Now, the court has said that the charges mentioned in the FIR are a matter of investigation, and an FIR was registered against the CBI number 2, Rakesh Asthana, the Deputy Superintendent Devendra Kumar, and also Joint Director A.K. Sharma. An FIR was filed against Asthana, allegedly for accepting a bribe from a businessman in the case related to the controversial meat exporter Wion Qureshi. Now, Asthana, who was heading the special investigation team that was probing the Qureshi case, has in fact been accused by the Hyderabad-based businessman who claimed that he had in fact paid huge bribes to get relief in the Wion Qureshi case. Now, Rakesh Asthana, who was serving as the special CBI director, was sent on forced leave on the 24th of October last year. All right, now for more on this, we are joined in by our correspondent Jessica Taneja, who is joining us live on this story. Good afternoon to you, Jessica. What is the latest on the story?
Well, now the Delhi High Court has dismissed Rakesh Asthana's plea against quashing of those FIRs, and it's important to understand, Saleh, at this point in time, that what does this mean? And just ahead of the hearing, we've also, got information that the interim protection from criminal procedures has also been taken away from Rakesh Asthana and the 3 others against whom the FIRs were filed. Now, given that what hangs in balance for Rakesh Asthana now is that he is not going to be reinstated, but then again, the Delhi High Court has allowed him to appeal in the Supreme Court against this, where he can go and reappeal against the FIRs that have been filed against him. But at the same time, this is not good news for Rakesh Asthana. Absolutely, and considering the sensitivity of this case and also considering as to what has been happening, in the other related cases, realistically speaking, Jessica, the legal options that Rakesh Asthana has are pretty limited. How soon will the investigation actually proceed in this case now that the FIR is already placed here? Well, now the interim protection has been taken away, and the judge has categorically said that within 10 weeks the probe should be finished and the report needs to be furnished as to what the findings are in those FIRs and whether the allegations have any meat in them. So given that in mind, of course, that report will be something to look forward to. But at the same time, Saleh, the counsels for Rakesh Asthana and other CBI officials who had sought quashing of the FIRs had based their argument on the fact that under the Prevention of Corruption Act, the high-ranking officials are immune from arrest, or if they do need to be investigated, you need prior permission from the government where there has to be substantial evidence that there are charges that need to be looked into. So that's the kind of protection they do get under the Act. But the judge today made it clear that this procedural reason cannot be made part of the fact that there will be no investigations against Rakesh Asthana. So that will go on, and within 10 weeks that report needs to come out, and then things will be made clear.